Hello, I am Joseph Weaver, CEO of Helix. At Helix, our mission is to bring innovation through passion and an open mind. Helix attempts to solve many of the problems with modern computer systems, such as expensive hardware that quickly becomes obsolete, system crashes, malware infections, and lost data. Almost every computer user has experienced these frustrations at some point, and we believe computer buyers and users are ready for a better option. Helix solves these basic issues by moving the personal computer to the cloud. The service Helix will provide is best described as cross-platform, high-performance software streaming. The service will appear to the user as a seamless user interface, not dissimilar to existing operating systems. However, our user interface will aggregate software feeds from a distributed network of virtualized servers running a variety of operating systems. This approach is very efficient and will provide a very high level of application performance, reliability, and compatibility for users. Our target market is broadband connected young people in the United States. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the population of individuals between the ages of 15 to 29 is approximately 64.7 million. In addition, according to the Pew Internet and American Life Project, as of 2011, 87% of these individuals have broadband internet access. This makes up a target audience of approximately 55 million people in the United States alone. There are companies that offer similar services, but nothing similar enough to Helix to cause issues with differentiation. The key competitors for the Helix service include indirect competition from web application providers such as Google Docs, Zoho, and Avery, as well as direct competition from software streaming services such as online game streaming, OnLive Desktop, and Gaikai game streaming. The closest competitor to Helix is OnLive Desktop, which is a soon-to-be launched service that provides a cloud-based Microsoft Windows remote desktop environment. This is very similar to the Helix concept, but lacks some of its features, such as cross-compatibility with multiple operating systems, the ability for the user to install his own software, an application store, and a persistent user session. Helix is a subscription-based software streaming service. Therefore, all content delivery occurs through the internet with no physical products being offered. The development of the system will be accomplished in-house. However, only a portion of the system will be original code. Because of the distributed nature of the system, a lot of the required components already exist, and the licenses can be purchased in order to ease development time and costs. The final system design will be modular so that components can be replaced and upgraded individually. The Data Center Operations Division will be responsible for the initial build-out of the data center infrastructure. They will also be responsible for maintaining, upgrading, and replacing equipment to keep the overall system up to date and capable of supporting increasing user loads. Our data center space will actually be rented out from an existing established data center. We will not be building the actual property, just the technology infrastructure within our allotted space. We selected the name Helix because it is a reference to the double helix, the structure of DNA. At its core, Helix represents the evolution of technology, and by proxy, the people who use this technology. The name Helix is meant to subtly remind the consumer of what our brand stands for: constant innovation. The tagline for Helix is Evolve with Us. It is effective because it speaks to the consumer by invoking a feeling of being part of something exclusive and revolutionary. It's daring the consumer to join our elite group. We want to invite consumers to buy into our service, a service which offers the user new and advanced abilities, as well as membership in an exclusive club of other tech-savvy individuals. Consumers will know that Helix will offer the most innovative and powerful computing platform available. Our marketing plan seeks to spread this message primarily through digital marketing channels such as search engine optimization, social media, viral marketing, digital public relations, and pay-per-click advertising. Once our funding goals are met, we will begin development on the first iteration of the system. At 4 months, we will begin the infrastructure build-out. At 6 to 8 months, we will launch the service. Every 6 months after, we will evaluate, improve, and expand our infrastructure to support more users. At approximately 2 years, Helix will begin to turn a profit. Between 24 and 30 months, we expect the software to be feature complete. At 3 years, we expect all in-house development to be complete so that license costs can be minimized. We anticipate Helix to turn a monthly profit towards the end of year 2 and a positive yearly profit by the end of year 3. All of Helix's funding will come from equity investments. We are asking for $2.75 million in exchange for 85% of the equity in the business. Most of the funds will be used for equipment costs, leases, professional services, and to cover our 3-year working capital needs. This leaves approximately $760,000 as a cash reserve. $65% of the equity in Helix is available as preferred stock. 20% is available as common stock. We estimate that the return on investment over a 4-year period is approximately 25%. Any contract term sheet must contain a clause that ensures that for the first 5 years, Joseph Weaver will obtain the right to oversee and make strategic decisions pertaining specifically to the design of all Helix products and services. At the end of this term, control will pass to the largest shareholder. We believe that our business model is a groundbreaking idea that could fundamentally change the way we all use computer technology. It is a great opportunity, and I hope you will consider investing in Helix. Thank you for your time.